Hello, this is my daughter's 2015 Mazda CX-5. This will be the same on all these 2012 to 2016 Mazda CX-5s and maybe even the other ones, but this reverse backup light is bad. So all you're going to need is a little bitty screwdriver and some gloves. You don't want to handle these lights with your fingers because the oils can get on them. You got this little access panel right here, and it has these little notches out this way. So you just use a screwdriver or something small to put in the little notch. Take that out, just set that down. And then this is our backup light. So we just grab that, turn it counterclockwise. You can leave this gray part connected to the white part. So you just grab the bulb and just pull straight out like that. This is a size 921. I'll put a link in the description for Amazon low cost bulb. So we'll pop that in there just like that. There's two notches on the bulb right here. There's a notch there and a notch there. And we're gonna line those up with the notches that we're looking at. And then it clicks in. We turn it clockwise and it clicks in. So that's all there is to that. And then this part we'll put in first. We'll tuck that in there and get that flush right here. And then all we do is snap that in. And this job is done. Thank you for watching.